When they were laughing in Parliament yesterday about the goods in that basket that couldn't top the basket, and that's a real purchase from a supermarket, I have the receipt. And the response of the Jamaican people to that was to say, how is this government so out of touch with the reality? That cannot feed a family for 2 weeks. And that is all that the poorest people have got from the government in this time, over the last over 8 months. And they're not looking to spend any more of it than last year. In fact, they're going to be spending less. So my point is, the Prime Minister, the people need help. And they need help that is adequate and sufficient. And it can be done. It will not set back the country in any major way if you do it. To the contrary, it will protect the country, strengthen the country, and allow us to bounce back faster and save the economy and save the social fabric from severe disruption.